Hello, I'm Dr. Vinay Patel and you're watching my channel English Literature English class. Today I'm going to introduce the syllabus of Corporate English 6 for the students of TYBCom Semester 6. The syllabus runs like this. It is serial number 5 for you. Course code is BCM 23 AE601. Okay, and course category comes under AEC 5. AEC meaning Ability Enhancement Course. This is the course which will enhance your ability. So it is entitled as AEC 5. Course credit 2. It means that you will be taken 2 lectures, or a professor can take 2 lectures for this course, and teaching hours 30. Within 30 hours this course can be completed. You can understand that. Practical hours, there is no practical in this course. Internal exam marks 25 only, external exam marks 25 only, and total marks 50. Internal plus external marks 50. Now I would like to introduce course objectives. Each and every course has their own objectives. The objectives of this course is to acquaint learners with various dimensions of entrepreneurship. It means that if you are the learner and if I am a professor, it is the course objective that I will have to impart with you various dimensions of entrepreneurship. Second objective is the modes of preparing different business reports to assess the efficiency or performance of a company or employees. I repeat, the modes of preparing different business reports. It means you will learn here business reports, how to write business reports, and why to assess the efficiency. Why do we write report? To assess the efficiency. To assess the efficiency or performance of an employee or a company. Then third objective is the terminology being used in the stock market. You will come to know about stock market here. And the last objective of this course is the importance of developing interpersonal communication skills to run a successful business. So you will here learn interpersonal communication skills through this course. And now, if we have such objectives, then after the completion of this course, the learner will be able to learn something, and outcomes are in such a way you will get that. I would like to mention here, learning outcomes are, after completion of this course, learners will be able to prepare drafts of formal reports in terse and polite language. I repeat, you will learn to prepare drafts of formal reports. Okay? In terse and polite language. Terse meaning short. Second, understand the basics of the stock market deals. And third outcome will be imbibe the significance of human values in professional life. So these are the outcomes which will be seen in future. And now, what are the particular in this course have been put? There are 3 units in particular. Unit number 1, it runs as empowering linguistic abilities through textual analysis. There's a text entitled as Horizon by Macmillan. In that text, there are two stories. Number one, An Astrologer's Day by R.K. Narayan, and number two, The Kid by Charlie Chaplin. These are the two stories that you will be taught. And in unit number 2, you will learn business report writing. Okay, how to write business reports, and they are committee reports and individual reports. A, committee reports, and B, individual reports. Under the section A, committee reports on number 1, opening a new factory, second, taking over a business unit, third, establishing a welfare center for the employees, and fourth, redressing grievances of the employees. So these are the 4 topics that you will come to know how to write a committee reports on. And under the section B, you will learn individual reports on subjects like inspection of branches of a corporate house, second, performance appraisal of employees, third, assessment of the dramatic decline in sales, and fourth, accident in a factory premises. So these are another 4 subjects on which you will be able to write individual report. I will teach you both of them how to be written. In unit number 3, Stock Exchange Market Report. In that unit also, there are A and B sections. Under the section A, frequently used stock market terminology, abbreviations, that is vocabulary attached. And under the section B, you will come to learn about comprehension of a given stock market report, types of questions attached. So these are the 3 units about which you will come to know under this course. So this is the syllabus for which I have taken 2 lectures in my class, and this is the video particularly for those students who remained absent in class. So I am facilitating you by this video, and now I am going to tell you the paper style of university examination for corporate English 6. So paper style is thus: you will have 3 questions in all. In question number 1, you will be asked from unit 1, answer in brief the following questions. This is the instruction. For option 5 out of 8, you will be given 8 options. You will have to attempt any 5. Marks 10. If you are watching this video, please note down in your notebook. Then question 2A, write a committee report, or 2B, write an individual report. It means that you will come to know about committee report and individual report both, but you will have to attempt any one, either committee report or individual report. 1 out of 2 only, and 10 marks you will get out of them. Question 3A, define, match the pairs or fill in the blanks like question. 5 items will be there. Or 3B, read the following market report carefully and answer the questions given below it, any 5. And types of questions to be asked: number 1, to which stock exchange this report is related. Second, what kind of report is this? It means that daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Number 3, which trend is indicated in the headline? Number 4, point out 2 words indicating the main trend. Number 5, mention 2 external or internal factors responsible for the present trend. Number 6, give the opening, closing and difference of a specific crisp. Number 7, explain one terminology from the passage. Number 8, which company's script did not follow the general trend? Why? Number 9, name the indices mentioned in the report. Number 10, what was the previous trend in the market? Number 11, which 2 words indicate bullish or bearish trend? And number 12, mention the opening and the closing of any one share. So these questions will be asked in option B, 5 marks. So this is your paper style of university examination.